Alright, what is going on, you guys? It is your boy Chucky here, back with another video. And before we get into that, you guys, make sure you guys go ahead and follow my Instagram. The link will be in the description. Make sure you guys go ahead and get that. But anyways, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some PicsArts on FazeRug. He just made a new drink. I think it's called the FazeChug or something like that. But yeah, you guys could go ahead and get that. Alright, you guys, so you could go ahead and go to the internet browser, and as you can see, you could just search G Fuel, and G Fuel will pop up, and you could just go ahead and see there's a lot of FazeRug drinks. And you could also check out Amazon got the deals on there with Prime, and you could go ahead and get that. And as you can see, FazeRug wrote a little something before he unleashed the drink, and as you can see, it's pretty cool. But anyways, get right into the video. Alright, once you guys are there, you want to go ahead and go to tools, and then once you go to tools, you want to go there and go to adjust, and then you want to go to saturation and put the saturation up at 100. And then once it's at 100, you want to go ahead and go to the effects. Okay, once you guys are in the effects, you want to go ahead and go to the paper. You want to go to scratch 2, and then once it's on scratch 2, you want to go ahead and go to cutout. Then you just want to cut out the image, and once you cut out the image, you want to go ahead and save it. Alright, and once you guys go ahead and save the pic, you want to go ahead and go down all the way to plain image, which is white. And then once you guys are on that image, you want to go ahead and go to add, and you want to go ahead and add this paint. I am going to leave the link to it down in the description. You just want to go ahead and add it to this white picture, and then yeah, you just want to go ahead and layer it out just a little bit more. Then once you're done layering it out, you want to Alright, once you guys are done saving the picture, you want to go ahead and add a post and add the image that you just cut out. And then once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and go to blend, which is on your right side of the screen down below. And then you want to go ahead and go to screen, I believe, and then it makes the image goes inside the black little paint, and then it looks really dope. And you want to go ahead and layer it out just a little bit, and then as you can see, it looks really dope already. You can Alright, you guys, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and go to effects, and then you want to go to paper, and then you want to go to scratch 2 again. And then as you can see, the image is all done. And to be honest with you guys, this image looks really cool. So I would really love for you guys to drop FazeRugs. You know what I'm saying? Just pin FazeRug down below in the comment section. If we could get FazeRug to see these videos, this would be amazing. But anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the family if you are new, because I do upload a lot of, you know what I'm saying, I upload a lot of crazy videos. You know what I'm saying? I got vlogs on the way. I got all types of stuff. So make sure you guys join the family, and let go.